Good afternoon class. Today we will discuss the solution of unit test paper of mathematics. Section A, question number 1. If a point lies on the y-axis, then its x coordinate will be 0 because the points on the y-axis are in the form of 0 comma y where x coordinate is 0. Second question is the graph of y equal to 3 is a vertical line, horizontal line, slant line or point. Right answer is horizontal line, as this is y-axis, this is x-axis. Suppose here is 3 unit, so y equal to 3 will be the line which is parallel to the x-axis. So y equal to 3 is a horizontal line. Now come to the next question. The linear equation 2x minus 5y is equal to 7 has option C infinitely many solution, because the linear equation have many solution. Okay, now question number 4. Any point on the y-axis, any point on the line y equal to x is of the form a comma a, 0 comma a comma 0 or a comma minus a. I will show you. If this is a coordinate plane, x-axis, y-axis, y equal to x passes through the origin. The equation y equal to x graph passes through the origin. So the points on these lines are in the form of a comma a, as this is 0, this is origin 0, the first point is 1 comma 1, second point is 2 comma 2. So the points on this line will be in the form of a comma a. So the option A is right. Next question, which of the following is a linear equation? In first option, the degree of linear variable is 2, so this is not a linear equation. In second, the power of x is 1, the power of y is 1, but they are multiplying to each other, so this is not a linear equation. Option C, the power of variable x and y is 1 and they are separating by the addition, so this is linear equation. So option C is right. Next, in the Cartesian plane the point 0 comma 0 is called origin. Option A. Euclid divides his famous treatise the elements into 13 chapters. Option B is right. If two lines intersect, the point of intersection satisfy both the equation. Option B. If question is saying if two lines intersect each other, if two lines intersect each other, two lines L1 and L2 intersect each other, then the point of intersection satisfy both the equation. How? Because the point lie on L1 and the point also lie on L2, so this will satisfy both the equation. Next, the graph of x equal to 2 is a vertical line. Option A is right, as the graph of x equal to 2, this is origin, this is 1, this is 2, and this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So the x equal to 2, the graph of x equal to 2 is a vertical line which is parallel to the y-axis. Now next question is boundaries of solids are surface. Now come to the section B. Question number 11. Write axiom 7 and postulate 5. Axiom 7, as you know, things which are half of the same thing are equal to one another, and postulate 5 is as if two lines intersected by a third transversal line and the sum of co-interior angle is less than 180, then the lines will meet at that side. You have to write the postulate and axiom in your own words. Okay, now next question is express equation x minus y upon 2 minus 5 equal to 0 in the form of ax plus by equal to 0 and indicate the value of a comma b comma c. So here is the equation x minus, so here is the equation x minus y upon 2, x minus y upon 2 minus 5 equal to 0. You can write as by comparing ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So you can see here a equal to, a is the coefficient of variable x, so a is 1, b is minus 1 by 2 and c is minus 5. So the value of a is 1, b is minus 1 by 2 and c is minus 5. You can write it also as x minus y upon 2 minus 5 is equal to 0, taking the LCM as 2. So the equation will be 2x minus y minus 10 is equal to 0. So the final equation is 2x minus y minus 10 is equal to 0. Now you can compare the equation with standard form ax plus by plus c is equal to, plus c is equal to 0. So a will be 2, a will be 2, b will be, b will be minus 1 and c will be, both the answer are right. Now come to the next question. Write 2x minus 4 in two variable and give the geometric representation of this equation as in one variable and in two variable. So I will explain this as 2x minus 4 is the equation. So in one variable, 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. It is already in one variable, so the value of x will be 2x equal to 4, x will be 4 divided by 2, so the value of x will be 2 and the geometrical representation will be as in the number line. Suppose we have a number line, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2. So here is the x equal to 2. Now come to the second variable, in two variable, you can say two variable, it is given that 2x minus 4 equal to 0. Here only one variable x, so we can make it as 2x plus 0 into y minus 4 equal to 0, where x and y are two variables. So now the geometrical representation of this equation as in coordinate plane, this is origin 0, 1, 2 in x-axis, this is y-axis. So x equal to 2 is here, so the graph is parallel to y-axis, which is x equal to 2. Now come to the next question. Question number 14 is if point 3 comma 4 lies on the equation 3y equal to ax plus 7, find the value of a. This is very simple question. You can see the solution here. If 3 comma 4 is the solution point on 3y equal to ax plus 7. Now as we know that this is x, this is y, so the putting the value of x and y into equation, it will become 3 into 4 equal to a into 3 plus 7 plus 7. So this will become 12 equal to 3a plus 7, 12 minus 7, equal to 3a. So 5 equal to 3a. So the final value of a will be 5 upon 3. This is the value of a. Now next question. Question number 15. Find the coordinate of the points whose ordinate is -4 and the which lie on y-axis. Because the point lie on y-axis, so the points form a 0 comma y, and the ordinate is already -4, so the coordinate will be 0 comma -4. Second question is which lie on x and y axis both. So the point coordinate 0 comma 0 lie on x and y axis both. Now come to the section C, long answer type question. Question number 16 and 17 we have. So the question number 16, the coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for 3,800. Later he buys 3 bats and 5 balls for 1750. Form the linear equation for finding the cost of a bat and cost of a ball and draw its graph also. So the you have to form the linear equation for these conditions, and you have to draw the graph also. So the solution of the question will be as question number 16. Let the cost of a bat will be, let the cost of a bat equal to x rupees. Similarly, cost of a ball will be rupees y. So according to question, he buys 7 bats and 6 balls. Firstly he buy 7 bats, so the cost of 7 bats will be 7x, and the cost of 6 balls will be 6y. Total he spent rupees 3,800 rupees. So this is the equation number 1, and this is the linear equation for the condition. Similarly, the second condition will be, as he buys 3 bats and 5 balls. 3 bats and 5 balls. So cost of 3 bats will be 3x and cost of 5 balls will be 5y, which total cost rupees 1750. So now you have to find the coordinates for these two equation, and by the help of those coordinates you will plot the graph also. As I mentioned in the class, I have already told you the solution of this question. So we will move to the next question. If in figure there is AC equal to BD, then prove that AB equal to CD. So the question is as question number 17. Here is a line A, B, C, D. These are 4 points A, B, C, and D. It is given that AC equal to BD. We have to prove that AB equal to CD. So the solution is as it is given that AC equal to BD. So we can subtract BC from both sides as AC minus BC and BD minus BC. So as you can see that AC minus AB, AC minus BC is AB. So in LHS it will become AB, and in RHS it will become CD. So this is hence proved. So I hope you all understand the solution of the paper. Keep practicing similar questions. Thank you so much.